official. Same-sex couples are now free to get married in Washington, D.C. The city's mayor signed the new law in December, and it went into effect today. Derek Valcourt reports from Washington. There were celebrations across the city.
With a mandatory 3-day waiting period now over, it is the first day that gay couples who applied for a marriage license in Washington can now legally get married. At the Unitarian Universalist National Memorial Church, they're preparing for a series of back-to-back evening weddings. Tonight, 10 same-sex couples, most of them from Maryland, will exchange marriage vows here, part of a flood of gay marriages making history in the nation's capital today.
I now proclaim you to be partners for life.
Spouses by law, now that the first gay marriage licenses were handed out this morning.
Congratulations to all the newlyweds.
D.C.'s mayor argued it was an issue of social justice, saying same-sex couples shouldn't be denied the rights other married couples have, like visiting each other in the hospital.
Now, don't we say we're married anywhere in the universe we go? Right. If we say we're married, everybody understands.
Now, many Maryland same-sex couples are making the journey down to Washington because of this recent opinion issued by Maryland's Attorney General Doug Gansler, saying the state would recognize marriages legally performed in other jurisdictions.
All the couples at the UU Church of Silver Springs said, oh, if they're going to recognize Maryland couples, Maryland marriages, then we want to do it.
Reverend Lily Mae Henley says her D.C. church gladly opened its doors to same-sex couples from Maryland so they could legally tie the knot tonight.
To be recognized by where you live, a marriage where you live, makes a lot of difference to people.
Gay marriage opponents took their fight all the way to the Supreme Court, which decided not to block gay marriages from happening here in the district. But those gay marriage opponents say they will continue their fight. In Washington, I'm Derek Valcourt, WJZ Eyewitness News.
And the flood of marriages is not expected to slow down. Weddings at the courthouse, most of them same-sex unions, are set to double in the weeks ahead.